Hey everybody, Brady Gerke with Cruise Auctions, and we are getting ready for the 56th annual Auburn Auction and Show right here in Auburn, Indiana, taking place September 3rd, 4th, and 5th. I just wanted to take a few minutes to highlight one of the offerings we will have at the Auburn auction, which is a 1929 Hispano-Suiza H6B Cabriolet. And one of the things I love about this car is it is just filled with so many unique details and items throughout the body, from the door handles to the split running boards, the 3-position cabriolet top, the imposing front grille, and the lights. As someone that dives deep into the history of the automobiles we offer here at the Auburn auction, I particularly love this Hispano because of the provenance attached to it. Its history can be traced back to new, and it's been well documented by some of the top Hispano experts and historians. It's been featured in club newsletters and various global magazine articles throughout its life. This particular example is also very well traveled, as it has been shown and won many awards at noted events around the world, such as the Pebble Beach Concours d'Elegance, Villa d'Este Concorso, and even winning Best in Show at the European Concours d'Elegance. This example has resided in collections in both Europe and the United States, and it currently hails from a collection that is comprised of Best of Show and Best of Class award-winning automobiles, which of course this Hispano fit right in with its awards accolades from its past history. This example will further be welcomed at noted concours, events, driving tours, and of course your collection. So if you'd like to learn more about this Hispano-Suiza or many of the other great offerings we will have at the 56th annual Auburn Auction and Show, I invite you to visit us at cruiseauctions.com, read the description, go through the documents, and reach out to us if you have any questions. And we look forward to seeing you right here in the collector car capital of the world, Auburn, Indiana.